Welcome back to Tech with B channel. Today we are diving deep into web scraping with Python using BeautifulSoup. By the end of this video, you will know how to extract data from websites and handle more complex scraping scenarios. Okay, let's get started. First, let's talk about what web scraping is. Web scraping involves extracting data from websites. It's useful for collecting data from multiple pages, automating data collections, and much more. However, always check a website's terms of service before scraping. To get started, we need to install BeautifulSoup library and requests. Let's install that. Pip install BeautifulSoup 4. I am using Python 11. Okay, pip install BeautifulSoup 4. I already installed that, so showing us requirement already satisfied. Okay, then we have to install requests, okay, to get site. I already installed that too. Okay. Then let's start with basic example. We will scrap codes from codes to scrap website. Okay, this website only. Okay, let's get started. I am using Visual Studio Code and using Anaconda environment for Python environments. I am in the base. Okay, you can use whatever you needed or just create your Python environment. I am using Python 3.11.5. okay. Okay, let's import request first. Import request. Okay, then import BeautifulSoup. Okay, bs4 import BeautifulSoup. Okay, then we have to define url equal to, we are testing this with codes to scrap.com. okay, I'm copying this from here and pasting it in here. Then response, I'm creating one variable to store gotten data from this site. Okay, like requests dot get method. We are using get method to get site data URL. Okay, if you print this, you will get a success response only. Okay, then you have to parse the HTML content with html.parser. okay, for that you have to define another variable and use BeautifulSoup. In that you have to pass gotten response content, response.content, comma, with single quotes, add html.parser. The reason is that we are parsing HTML website, so we are doing here HTML parsing. Okay, let's print soap variable, print of SOUP. We got HTML pages response. Okay, if you inspect and see this page, the same code will be here. Okay, we got this HTML elements in this soap variable. Okay, then we need to get data inside this HTML. If you see this, these codes are listed here inside the div mentioned with quote. Okay, inside the span we need to get all the codes from here with divs with quote. Okay, for that we have to use find all method. Okay, I am defining another variable to save all the codes we got using find all method. Okay, codes equal to define this soup dot find all method. Okay, all the options are listed here. I'm using find all method. Inside find all I am defining div. We are searching for div with class names, class underscore equal to quote. Okay, quote, then print of quotes. Okay, we have to parse more to get only quotes from these quotes. Okay, in these quotes find all method we got all as HTML, so we have to do more to get only the codes from here. Okay, I'm using for loop here for quotes, for quote in quotes, then save text quote text here in this Python text variable. Then you have to list quote dot, we got data from div with quote class. Okay, then we have to search more inside like the data is inside span tag with class text. Okay, we have to use that here. We are going to use that here using quote.find method. Find all for getting all the divs. Okay, find for getting that one div inside the past code div. Okay, I am typing span tag, then text tag as we seen in that inspect method. Okay, quote, then print this text. Okay, check our result. Oh, what's the issue here? Oh, span with class text. Span with class text, so displaying as null. Sorry for this text. Then check again. Now the codes are displaying with the tags. Okay, If you need to display only the text inside, just type text after this. Okay, if you check again, quotes only displayed here. Okay, then we have to print other. To get other, we can use small tag and other class. Okay, author, yeah, author equal to quote.find of small tag with class author. We just try to print authors. Okay, all others small tags with small tags are printed here. We need just only text, so again type text here. We got all the list of quotes others. Okay, we got quotes as list and others name too, using web scraping method. Okay, we got simple data from by using this method. Okay, however, let's scrap more complex data like tags associated with each quote. Okay, here is how we do it. Okay, we have to add another variable like tags equal to array of tag dot text for tag in quote dot find underscore all. We are using find all here for getting multiple datas inside quote. Okay, have you seen these tags are inside tags class with tag class inside a anchor tag. Okay, we have to get data from here, so we are using for loop like for tag in quote.find all get tag.text find all with anchor tag and then class underscore tag. Okay, let's print that tags. Okay, we got all the tags in the form of array. Okay, we can get more and more with these methods. Okay, and that's how you can start web scraping with Python and Beautiful Soup. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more coding tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and happy scrapping. See you on next video.